Hi, 欢迎回来看我的视频。Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Let's start with our homework from last video, okay? Here is 一字千金. What is 一字千金 means? Describe the value of the task. It's extremely high. Okay, how do you use 一字千金? Here, I have an example. Here's some word you already know. Okay, this 成语. This is this 成语. Okay, so 他 we learned from last video. So 他 is man, 他 is he. 他说 we learned here too. It's a C. Okay, 他说的 we learned here, so it's off. 他说的话 is words. This is 话. So, okay. 他说的话真 is true.是 is. We learned somewhere before. 一字千金. So here, these three words you already know from this homework from last time. Okay, so only this one is a new word for you guys. It's 真 is true. So 他说的话真是一字千金. So you can use this word. Okay, we come to our this 话. This is 话. Okay, 一句话. So 正思念这事的时候，有主的天使向他梦中显现说 OK, 正 is just, 思念 is think, 思念 is think, 这 is the, 是 is thing, the is of, 时候 is time, 有 have, 主 Lord, the of, 天使 angel, 像 is to, 他 is he, 梦中 梦 is dream, 中 is in, 显现 is appear, 显现 is appear, 说 is say. So 正思念这事的时候，有主的天使向他梦中显现说，正思念这事的时候，有主的天使向他梦中显现说 Okay, we start our new lessons. David 的子孙 Joseph 不要怕，只管娶过你的妻子 Mary 来，因他所怀的孕是从圣灵来的. If you always watch my video, okay, you look so many words, but some of them you already learned if you always watch my video. So here's not like so much new vocabulary, okay, not like what you see. So just some of them if you always watch my video, okay. David 的子孙 Joseph 不要怕，只管娶过 你的妻子来，妻子 Mary 来 ，this is 来，因她所怀的孕是从圣灵来的。This blue line I draw usually is a phrase, okay? So you can check them together when you check the word, okay? And another way I want to show you how to check the words on the dictionary. I mean, how to check the word on the translator, okay? This is a little tip, okay? For example, this one, you can write a Z, okay? First word Z and then S. You will come up these two words. It should be. And this word, if you type like Q, okay? First Q and then Z, just Q and Z, you will come up this word, okay? This one is same thing, SH, and then plus this one, L, it will come up this word. So this is phrase, okay? We're not going to write the English, so we're going to write the Chinese only, okay? So, 的 子 this word 子孙 okay, so first word 子孙 Joseph, and then 不要 不 we learned many times 要 we learned this word too 不要 this is 要怕 this is a new word 只管 oh sorry I missed one dot 只管取过你的妻 this one should be good here and then like this 子 and then it is Mary, so I'm not writing English 来因 sorry here shouldn't have this 因他所怀的孕是从圣灵来的 last word is 的 David 的 子孙 Joseph， 不要怕，不要怕，只管娶过你的妻子 Mary 来，因他所怀的孕是从圣灵来的。 David 子孙 Joseph， 不要怕，不要怕，不要怕，只管娶过你的妻子 Mary 来，因她所怀的孕是从圣灵来的。 Okay, we're gonna learn our 成语。一心一意，一心一意。 Okay, what this 成语 means? Put one's whole heart into. Okay, 一心一意。 I give you a clue for this one. So it's number one. Okay, in Chinese. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. But from here is like this, but simple. But 4 is different. So this is 4, 5, it will be different. Only this 3, okay, you're gonna be like just simple read like this. So this is a 1, this is a heart. I think if you watch my video before, okay, I said many times, this is a heart. So I put here, okay, this is the same. 一, remember 一, okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. 一, again, 一, the 1. So here, this one you're gonna check what is this one. But here has this little heart, do you see? So you're gonna be something related to your heart or your mind. You bring something inside you. Okay. Yeah, you already know this how to write this, right? Just very easy. 心, okay, the heart. Maybe let me write that again. 心一意 Okay. Exciting time, homework. Okay. Download a translate. If you first time watch my video, you have to have that to help you learn, okay? And translate word, okay, except I put like lines, it's a phrase, so you put like remember, you can write. I suggest you to write it each word because I show you how to write it, because it's very important. When you write it, it helps you to remember tough, okay? So but I want you to translate each single word. But in this case, you can if you find on the pinyin area, and you can put like Z, S, just simple, just Z, S, you will come up these 2 words. It should be. And then so like this word, okay, this word you need each single word. And if you always watch my video, you probably already know those words. Okay, so you don't have to write it. The purpose is to learn this language, not to write now. Okay, and then read and write 30 times. Okay, please, 30 times. It will help you remember very tough. Okay, and then watch an hour of Chinese series every day. Half hour, okay. And half hour. So this will it will help you for listening, and when you hear more, and the more you will get it. and plus you have subtitle. You can watch while enjoy the movie, the video, and then while you learn Chinese. Hope you guys have fun for the homework. Some people you may find out that I am using Bible to teach Chinese because it includes everything. So we don't have to find some other material. And give me thumbs up if you like. Put comments below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you next Friday. 下星期五见。